a dream of doing the Great American Loop with ourselves. I'm Cinda and Mark's behind the camera. Our 2 kiddos and our 2 cats. And we finally got our boat. We just picked it up. We have successfully docked it for the first time in 20-mile-an-hour or not winds or whatever. What do you say? It was windy.
25-mile-an-hour winds.
It was
gusting.
Very, very windy. Mark did an excellent job. I had a full panic attack. But now that we are safely at the dock, we thought we'd give you a tour of the boat as it is on day 1, kind of the before tour, before we put our mark on it, before we boomerize things. Yeah, before we head out. Hi, come aboard. Our neighbor is probably thinking we're crazy right now. Okay, so aft deck. It is not, doesn't have the full-time dining table that I wanted. It does have a Marquette porting ladder that we haven't figured out how to use. And there's enough room for a small table and chairs. So come on in. Belle, you want to say hi? Totally snugarific sofa. The most snugarific sofa ever. We are a little conflicted on its aesthetic, but we'll figure that out as we go. But check out all this space. Plenty of room to play.
What's that beam?
Oh, it's an 18-foot beam. It's a beamy boat.
You're doing your beamy dance in the beamy boat.
I am. I love it. Okay, so here's our main salon area. Come with me and I'll show you the galley. First stop is the bar, dedicated bar area with
U-line
a lovely
fridge,
U-line fridge,
bar sink, bar storage.
Yep. Here is the galley. It's got a pretty much brand new dishwasher. It still has the stickers. We haven't used it yet, but we put some stuff in there. It's got a trash compactor right here. And the Gen Air is a little dated, but we love it because it's got a griddle on this side and the 2 glass top burners and a convection microwave oven.
Storage. Explain the storage.
Well, we've got storage down here. We've got storage.
That opens and it has a drawer that pulls
Oh yeah,
out.
it has a roll-out drawer. I mean, it's.
I mean, people are going to want to see all this.
Oh, okay.
This is what you would want to see.
We'll do a more detailed tour once we've made it our own.
Okay.
How's that?
That's good.
So we're not going to open up everything, but we've got a full-size fridge, which is fantastic. Coming this way, what I love is this dedicated dining table that we've already made messy.
Sit at it so we can get a perspective.
I mean, yeah. Let me show you.
Size-wise.
Let me show you.
There's one person.
This is me. And then like all the way down there, you can easily put...
1, 2,
well, I mean, you can
3,
squeeze people, but you
4,
can...
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, but comfortably 5 just around here.
Yeah.
And then if you turn around, this is the lower helm with a beautiful Stid chair and gorgeous steering wheel. And Mark, will you tell us?
Helm wheel.
Oh, sorry. Gorgeous helm wheel.
You're not in a car.
Okay. It is gorgeous. And then, do you want to tell us about the mechanics? Or you want to do that up in the flag bridge?
Well, quickly, we've got balanced stern thruster, we got Detroit diesel readout, Simrad autopilot, Furuno 3D Navnet chart plotter. A little bit dated, but it works. And with Navionics that we're going to be using, that really doesn't matter. The Garmin is pretty much useless other than on this side it gives depth and knots. So that's what I'm using it for. Brand new standard Horizon radios, trim tabs, air horn, 3-trumpet air horn. This is the DC panel, and this is the AC panel where we can select from 2 generators. One here, the 12 or the 15 Jenny, and do everything there. And there's the boat. Oh, that's the picture we need for the t-shirt right there.
Okay, so let's go up on the bow.
And my favorite is, this is so smart. The night light, night blindness light, it's just red Lexan up there.
Okay.
Through the bow, through the pilot house door.
So, through the pilot house door to the bow.
You have side access here, and the Marquette attaches right there. We just couldn't do it like this. Got it.
Here. I'm missing a button. Here you got your anchor, or your windlass, sorry.
Chain. Pretty good anchor.
Yeah, we're gonna figure out our anchor situation.
Teak. but not too much of it.
I know, if you come
Look
on,
at the joinery.
if you come back this way. We're back in the boat. Okay, shall we go down to the master stateroom or up to the flybridge?
Master stateroom.
Okay, come with me. Let's go down to the master real quick. Okay.
Love this port light here.
Okay, so down here is the master. We've got a king size bed. We've got great storage. His and her and our closet lockers. And then a relatively petite but totally functional bathroom.
But look, you have a full-size mirror, right, with a light to get dressed in. That was one of your complaints about some of the boats for when you put on your evening cocktail attire.
Caftans.
Here's the head. It is small, but we're gonna make it look brighter or bigger, just brightening it up.
And making it a little more functional. And then there's a closet. And there's a closet right ahead of you, or a locker, and then a third locker right here, which is pretty amazing. Then
All these drawers, bedside tables on both sides.
it's pretty good. It's gonna get a makeover and be even better. But in here, what I love, we've got washer and dryer. And then Mark's favorite room in the whole boat, which I've never even actually opened this door, is the engine room. Would you like me to film you going in there?
Sure.
Okay.
Come in to my domain.
In a 60 seconds or less,
Yeah.
tell us why you love this engine room.
Done.
And above
Tell
your
me
head.
why you love your engine room without telling me why you love your engine room.
There
This
you
is
go.
why. Okay, ready? Engines, inverter, Naiad stabilizers. We've got Fireboy systems. We've got digital throttle shifters, AC units, generator 1, generator 2, battery charger, generator charger, and that's it.
And room to move.
Fuel polishing system.
And get around everything. Okay, now let's head up. Oh, and then this is a whole, we're calling it, I don't know, linen closet, first aid closet, spares closet, who knows?
Utility closet.
Utility closet. That's a good name for it. So let's go see the other 3 staterooms. So back up this way, and we're gonna head down. The kids have already nested a bit. We're working on figuring out what all we need. Come on down. So this room was apparently the captain's quarters. Bella's already put her stuffed animals in a little pink bedspread, but we're gonna make this all very girly.
Got a desk. She has the most storage. I mean,
Oh yeah, so she's got all of this, plus all of this,
Plus the
a
closet's
super
here.
deep closet, and there's a whole huge hold underneath.
her bathroom is across the hall. She's got a head, shower. Howdy.
Hi. And then up here is the V-Bird.
It's Rex's room.
Say hi.
Hi.
It's gonna get a makeover as well, but he's got a ton of storage.
He's got storage there.
He's got a full locker
His bed,
here.
a buddy bed. And look at the size of his light.
Uh-huh.
The closet I can stand in.
And
It's
then
that deep.
He's got a head here as well.
He can access his head through this door or through this door.
Yeah.
And peek.
Yep.
And here's Rex's head. So everybody has their own head.
Okay. So come on down here to the VIP suite.
This is the belly of the beast.
This is the belly of the beast, but this is the room that hopefully our family and friends, when they come visit, will stay in, and maybe our unicorn of a tutor when we find that person. It's a queen size bed. You've got great storage all along the port side beam of the boat. I don't know how you say that. Anyway, and then there's storage underneath the bed, and then this bedroom has its own dedicated head,
Show us.
closet, and correspondence desk. Okay, come in here. All the heads are small, but we're gonna make them cuter. So let me show you the correspondence desk, which is right here. So it's got a swing out stool.
Sit there.
Oh, I haven't sat here yet. Oh, and then wait for it.
Makeup.
You've Yeah, I guess you can put all your makeup there. Have it open the drawers. Oh, there's some money. And then
Helps pay for the boat. And then a full-size closet.
yeah, and we have central vac,
That's our hose.
which we couldn't find for a while, but we did find it.
This is a great space.
Yeah,
If you know how to teach children, and you're not an axe murderer.
yes, and you want to live with us. And I mean, this
Queen
is
size bed.
pretty solid spot here. Okay, so let's go on up and check out the flybridge, and then we'll
This is
wrap up
bigger
the
than
tour.
most masters we looked at on other boats.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so let's go up to the flybridge now. So one of the other drawbacks of this boat, there's really only a couple, like 2 little drawbacks, is it doesn't have an internal stairwell up to the flybridge. This is the flybridge. Really comfortable. These chairs are insanely comfortable. And it worked great for our drive over here to this marina. I love it. It's got a hard top, great visibility, and then all this wonderful equipment.
The table.
Oh yeah, so the previous owner hand-built this table, which I think is just so gorgeous. Actually, the previous owner, it's a long story. But there you have it.
And we have hard panel. We got to figure out what it's called, but it's not isinglass, and it's so great because it's crystal clear view, but it's plastic
Yeah.
and keeps us protected. So it is kind of a 3-season room up here.
Yeah, it's nice up here.
There's our tender.
I look forward to doing my morning meditations up here, drinking my coffee, and watching for
And the bar
dolphins.
fridge right
Oh
there.
yeah, there's bar fridge. We don't have a grill. We're working on that.
And put a electric grill right here.
But we have a bar fridge. Stopped with our favorite water.
And this is what we'll have to take off because of the height. Right. All these 3 things.
So, there you have it. So that's SeaSHINE. Only gets better from here.